Happening now, heavy rains is causing flooding in Gravette streets. Neighbors tell KNWA Baker Street is notorious for filling up with water because the drainage systems are not cleaned out enough. Karen Alley lives on Baker Street and says only 2 or 3 drains are located in that area. This sometimes causes her street to be undrivable.
When it floods, the trash cans tip over and the trash just drains back into there. So I've never seen anybody come out here and clean them.
Allie and another neighbor say the city told them the drainage is clogged.